Hey everyone, Vinayak here. A few months in Hyderabad when the temperatures are intense and we generally prepare for it by purchasing or repairing our ACs. And I had picked up two new ACs, both are from Panasonic. One is a 3-star and the other one is a 5-star. So what are the advantages of purchasing a 5-star AC over a 3-star AC? I've been running these ACs for around a month, so let's see what the advantages and disadvantages are. So as I said, I purchased two and both are from Panasonic. It's their smart range of air conditioners. One is a 5-star AC and the other a 3-star. I wanted to see if it is actually worth it shelling out almost 5 to 6,000 more for the 5-star. The ACs were delivered promptly and a day later an engineer called in to book an installation appointment. I don't know why AC installation is now charged. They were free earlier. Nevertheless, this was a simple replacement of my AC which I exchanged for around rupees 5,600 on Amazon. During the Amazon exchange, you do need to keep your older AC uninstalled and ready for pickup, which costs too. Now for the AC I have here. This one is the 3-star Panasonic Smart Inverter AC. Inverter ACs generally run more quietly and are more efficient as compared to normal ACs. And they can also change the power draw as per the heat load, which means it can run under 1 ton capacity if it doesn't need to run full blast, which in turn saves on power consumption. These ACs also use a new refrigerant R32 which is flammable, so we are generally advised to keep away during the installation process. This refrigerant is more environmentally friendly and won't affect the ozone layer like the older ones do. The engineers did a good job, and as I didn't need any extra pipes, there were no extra charges. It comes with a 10-foot copper tubing and I was lucky enough that it was enough to reach my roof. Earlier companies used to provide 15-foot copper tubes and also the wires. The outdoor unit has copper tubing and a blue anti-corrosion layer. The AC is now installed and running. It's managing to cool the room quite fast. It is a new AC, but still this is quite fast. In order to set up the smart features, we need to install the Mirai app on your phone. Install the batteries into the remote, hold down the smart button for 5 seconds, which places the AC into Wi-Fi pairing mode. Search and pair, and it's quite simple, and now we have complete control over the AC via the app. You can check the temperature, schedule, change modes, change lower angle and more. We can also start and stop the AC by actual time as the AC syncs its time via the internet. We can also see the power consumption of the AC on a day, week or monthly basis. Nice, these are my two ACs on the app. The 1.5 ton 3-star AC has used approximately 2.4 to 4 kilowatt hours, and these are at different run times, but that's kind of an average. The AC is in my son's room, and now for the 5-star AC. It has used around 1.2 to 1.8 kilowatt hour. Even though the price of the 5-star AC is much higher, it looks to save you money in the long run. And this is with the ACs running between 24 to 26 degrees centigrade. My son does run the AC at 24 most of the time, hence the higher power consumption. But the 3-star AC looks to be pulling almost double power, so a factor to note when purchasing. Some advantages of using the smart AC. You can run schedules where we can have the AC change temperatures at night at certain times when you might not need it to be that cold. I also like that it works with Google Home and Alexa, and we can turn the AC on just using our voice. We can change the temperatures, turn the AC on or off, etc. Alexa, turn on Panasonic AC.
Okay.
Alexa, set Panasonic AC to 25 degrees.
The AC is set to 25.
Alexa, turn off Panasonic AC.
Okay.
We could also have a motion sensor where we can have the AC turn on or off in the room if it is occupied or not. This should be set via Alexa or Google Home routines. We can also have the AC turn on when you are driving home, and it turns on and keeps the room nice and cool by the time you enter. That's a huge convenience than coming into a smoldering room. So do you need a 5-star AC? The initial investment is a bit more, but you will save a bit more money in the long run. If you run the AC in short bursts of maybe 1 to 2 hours, then a 3-star AC is more than enough. But if you run it in 6 to 8 hour shifts, then the 5-star AC will be a better choice. The Panasonic AC works well, cools the room quite fast, and the smart features are nice to have. Installation costs are present, so you will need to be aware that I paid around 1,500 rupees, but if you need more copper pipe or wire, the charges are extra. There are also models with an air purifier within, which I have not picked up. So I hope that this video helps you in making your decision on which model to pick up, the 3-star or the 5-star. So that's the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.